Hello and welcome back to another RV walkthrough. My name's Taylor Quayle. We're here at Padada RV Center in Tucson, Arizona. Today we're going to take a peek at a 2007 Fleetwood Discovery 39V floor plan. This is a pretty unique floor plan. New body style for 2007 when it did initially come out. It's a double slide. But as you can see, we got one slide right there. Check out this second slide. You talk about a super slide right here. That's a full body deep slide. You gotta see the inside. It's super unique. But before we start going, let's start the four corners look. We'll check out the compartments and we'll jump inside and see what that has to offer. There's a decent amount of wind going on, so I only have the awning out just a hair. It does have a wind sensor, but I don't want to piss off my boss and break it for any reason, so I'd rather not take the chance. I think I gotta tell our lot boy to park this a little bit better. You can't really get a really good sense of how massive this slide is. Walk down it. I got all the window awnings out too. It has 3 of them on this one side. Very cool. So let's start up front and we'll make that compartment last. So you do have a generator compartment right there with the hood that drops down. Let me unlock it and show you. All right, so once she is unlocked, just lift her up. There you go. Owning Quiet Diesel 7500. That will run off the same tank. And I usually have these running to get that AC going, but we are under a quarter tank. And if you know, those generators, if they are not propane, will stop working after a quarter tank, just to make sure you don't forget it's on and don't have enough fuel to drive somewhere and gets more. All right, so we're going to start with the compartments. We're going to start on the passenger side in the front and then work our way all the way around to the front on the driver's side. So let me get them open. All right, your first compartment right here, right behind your fuel fill on the passenger side, is a nice exterior TV. And of course, DVD player, AM, FM radio, a couple speakers. This does turn and then pushes in. And then we'll actually latch in place too, which is nice. So you have yourself an outdoor TV. Now you could completely take that out and use it as, a little bit more compartment storage if you want. Nice big, you have no pass-throughs on this coach because all your compartments come out with the slide on the other side. And we just took this coach in probably about an hour ago. So some of the compartments are still a little dirty. I am sorry, but anytime I get one of these good price diesel pushes in, I shoot it as quick as possible. Central vac system, of course. A couple little packing peanut debris. Your tires. Let's see, date code 0316. So they're coming up on about 8 years old. Water heater right there, should be a 10-gallon. Then you have potable water fill over there. Nothing else too crazy. It is a rear radiator. It's a 330 cat in here with the Allison transmission. And of course, a backup camera. Let me jump up on the roof to show you that. Got yourself a beige roof. It looks good. Needs a quick cleaning, but slide toppers look good. Awning's good. Something to point out, the awning cover is a little discolored just from the sun and the heat. Double AC looks pretty good. I don't see a little bit of bird crap on that slide topper, but other than that, no big deal. All right, and then when you remove that ladder extension, you can use this lift gate to check out that radiator, put some coolant in, check the oil, all that fun stuff. You got a 10K hitch down here. Should have the 7 and the 4. All right. Sorry about that wind again. Continue on these compartments. Look at those batteries. Those things are huge. Another little battery compartment there. Inverter, 50 amp power service. Same tires on the rear. And then your dump station, outdoor shower, a couple city water inlets. And And you can see all these compartments. This is the dirtiest one, I'm sorry. It's got 2 doors, one really big one not so big, but they do come out with the slide. As you can see, a pretty decent amount of space. And then you have, you shut these to show them. You have all these window awnings. Window awnings, they're manual awnings. So you just take that and it goes up. It does have a metal cover, and there's 3 of them. It's very cool if you're going to be parked somewhere for extended amounts of time. They're fun to pull out. Less propensity to break with high wind. All right, that is your exterior, your awning rod, if you were wondering. Make sure these tires are the same too. It does look like it. And then finally, up front, you have another small little compartment with the light. Nothing too crazy. And that is right by your side vision cameras. And that's the exterior of this 07 Discovery. Let's go inside. Before we jump in, let me show you that cover I was pointing out. It's literally just paint, but it is something to point out. All right, 2 exterior steps going in, and then 2 more right there. It does have a manual step cover. Just lift up, pull out, covers that little area. Right when you walk in, you got a couple ceiling light buttons. I should have had that on. Porch light, entry step, all that fun stuff. And then check this out. Look at that floor plan. That slide is insane. I'm gonna go stand right in front of that TV and show you forward. So everything you see on that ground right in here is all part of the slide, and that slide goes all the way to the front of the coach. It's massive, it's huge, it gives you so much room in here. It feels like an apartment. All right, let's start up front. Since I don't have enough power for the gen, I'm gonna get the AC going on the dash. 27,029 miles on it. Does have an engine brake. This is funny. This is backwards. Up brings it down, down brings it up. Wonder how that happened. Backup camera monitor, generator. Let's see if I can get the hours for you, because I know it won't start. No, we're just that low on fuel. All right. And then the passenger doesn't have any like desk areas or anything like that. They have the leg cover. They have a, where the heck is it? Oh, it's right there. Nice leg extension. Hang out, relax, sit back. Now these chairs do have a little bit of wear around the edges. I mean, this thing is 15 years old already, but the actual cushions of the chairs look good. Just kind of that detailing upholstery up there. And then that could be from a cat, I guess you could say, but your other furniture looks pretty good, so I'm kind of questionable on that. And then other than that, it looks good. Power seats on the driver, power seats on the pass. They are 8-way, forward, back, thigh, and then butt angled. And then one thing that's cool about Fleetwood, they got a heater on them. Stay warm wherever you are. All right, so first compartment right above the driver door, you have your awning control, which does have a wind sensor on it. Under here, your battery disconnects, level testers, inverter, generator, jacks, and thermostat, and your slide extension. Upgraded Sony TV up front. Is that a 5-disc DVD changer? God, it sure as hell looks like it. And a switch box. And then some more storage up there. And a VGA connection. Gotta love it. Now for your shades, you do of course have those kind of drop down, those 2 drop downs, but for the full blackout, it is a curtain that wraps all the way around to the front. All right, let's look at this thing. So we're gonna start on the passenger side where there's no slide up front. It's got your kind of your barrel chair and then your kitchen. Good amount of storage in this kitchen, good amount of space too. Got 2 of those compartments there and there. It's always interesting seeing drop down drawers, but you got one right there. A little bit of storage up above. Even more storage there. It is a convection microwave oven, and it is a full residential size. And that's very unique because it does also have a standard oven. And of course, what's in our RV without your 3-burner gas stove top? Those newer ones are going induction with only 2. Then we got a couple extra drawers here. I'm only going to show you a few, but extra cutting board pulls out, 3 drawers that depth. Nice little slide out right there under the sink, and then you got 4 of those drawers. Looks to be all the same depth and size. There is your sink, dual bay, a little bit extended over there on the left side. Not sure what they had here, maybe just an extra hole for instant hot water or something, I'm not positive. Right, and then to the right, just a hair more, you do have your 4-door Norcold fridge and freezer. Now this does have water, not ice, just water in the door. Nice little feature on these 4s. And then, I mean, you guys, most people have seen these 4 doors before. They're all pretty dang similar. And an ice maker top left. Little bit of pantry over here with a couple pull-outs. One more down below, a couple more pull-outs. Very nice. And then you do have a little one down there, but mainly keep your vacuum plugged in there. And you do have the bathroom right there, but we're not going to fully go there yet. We're going to turn around and we are going to go start up front one more time and check out this other side slide. So this slide right here, right there, go all the way down to right there. It is big, it is deep, it's long, it gives you so much space. So first up, 2 cushion couch. The front's getting a little bit of wear. It is a sleeper sofa and it is a flex steel too. Then you got 2 storages up above, nothing too crazy, a little bit of easy reading material. Day and night shades throughout this whole coach, as you can see. Your booth dinette with, look at these, look at these, look at those. Oh, I pulled that out just an inch too far. I need 2 hands, be right back. Just an inch too far, but they are insanely deep. And then this will turn into a sleeper. On paper, they'll say 6 people can sleep in here. I guess that's at the discretion of the owner. All right, so there is your floor plan. There's my sales ad, $89,995, 330 cat, 27,000 miles. Some of your standard features and available options. And then finally, all that stuff everyone wants to know: tank sizes, fuel size, 90-gallon fuel capacity, overall lengths and heights, all that fun stuff. All right, so there is a separator right here that will slide all the way across to give you, pretty much a master suite. Now, right before we get to the bedroom, you do have a little bit more storage, as you can see. And then 3 of these drawers. A lot of storage in this coach. Now this is pretty unique. So you got your vanity outside. It is almost an all-in-one bath. You got the shower and the toilet in the all-in-one. Well, almost all-in-one. And then vanity outside with a lot of counter space and actually a pretty good amount of storage. And up above, I'll hide so you can't see me. Perfect. One more time. Phenomenal. Right, and then you have a little step up into the bedroom, but before the bedroom, right here on the passenger side, you do have that toilet and shower. It is a corner shower. It's got that nice looking one-piece fiberglass in it. The pan down at the bottom. A lot of headroom in there. Could be quite tall and still fit. A little bit of storage up there. I guess that's your toilet paper storage because you don't have it anywhere else. And then this does have, of course, a little slider door too if you want to shut that. All right, on to the bedroom. First thing in the bedroom, massive window, absolutely massive, full length window. 6 drawer, oh wow. I went to Tucson Unified School District here and obviously don't know math that well. 9 drawers, all about that size. The nice little vanity makeup area, whatever you want to do there. TV is located right here, and I'm pretty sure that is on a slide if I'm not, or on a pull out if I'm not mistaken. So you can actually see it from the bedroom. 4 drawers, or 4 of these size drawers under that. And you got the little baby guy down here. There's your drawer, guys. It does have a full wall closet. And then it does have a couple little pockets over there, a generator start, cup holder, and that's about it. Unlatch that. And then that is your extension for, should be the dinette. Engine is on, that's why you hear a little bit of shaking. All right. Now your other slide, haven't pointed it out, but is that corner to that corner right there. And then you have your slide control light, couple, oh, gotta set the mood, right? Oh yeah. All right, and then there should be a little bit of underbed storage to the right. Well, that's it, guys. That's a 2007 Fleetwood Discovery 39V model. All right, should have enough power to get these slides in to show you what it looks like with the slides in. I shall be right back. Look at this thing go. That is incredible. I love seeing big slides move, and this thing moves very well. I've seen a couple that are a little sketchy as they coming in, mainly on alphas. All right, you can see that corner is in. This is our accessibility when both slides are in. Look how much space is in the middle area. You can literally get to everything with no problems. The bathroom, the vanity. Hell, you want to take a nap? You got it. Go ahead. Oh, you see me in the mirror. Gotta hide. The only thing this coach is really missing is a full stack washer dryer. But, you know what? For that slide, who cares? It's a great little floor plan. Let's take a peek at the outside too. Alright, passenger side shouldn't look too different except for that slide being in right there. But of course, your main difference is on the driver's side. Oh, dang it. Hold on. Alright, try that one more time. Like I said, guys, 2007 Fleetwood Discovery 39V. Selling it for $89,995. I'm going to put a link to this unit from our website in the description box down below. Of course, including all my contact info, cell phone, and email. If you have any questions, you want to reach out on this bad boy. Thank you so much for viewing, guys. Hope everyone has a great day.